In this video, we'll show you how to fix an error when enrolling in the Extended Security Updates program, even if your device has all the latest Windows updates installed. Sometimes, you will not see the Enroll option. The reason for this issue is that the consumer ESU program cannot be used for commercial purposes. For example, devices connected to an Active Directory domain, Microsoft Intra, or managed by a mobile device management (MDM) solution will not be eligible for the Extended Security Updates program. Here's a simple PowerShell script to quickly check if your device is commercial or MDM managed. True indicates that the device is managed. However, when I ran the dsreg-cmd command, I noticed that the computer was not joined to any domain or Azure AD. On this computer, Windows detected commercial or MDM usage because of Microsoft Edge. I made some registry changes to configure certain settings. These settings are only applicable if the device is managed by an MDM solution. Therefore, in the registry, I created a registry key to simulate MDM enrollment. To bypass this, I will export the key and then delete it. After deleting it, you can go back to Windows Update to check if it works. You might need to wait a bit for the enrollment option to appear, or you can restart your computer. Alternatively, you can manually activate that option using this command. As you can see, the error has disappeared, and we can now enroll the device in the Extended Security Updates program to receive an additional year of updates. Now, we can restore the deleted registry key from Microsoft Edge policies. Additionally, if the first method doesn't resolve the issue, you can try enabling the Find My Device option in Windows Update and try enrolling again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.